Alright, so basically what I'm going to do is to trick my mulberry plants into dormancy. Welcome and welcome back to another Gardening with Stacey. You see how I'm sweating? It is so very hot. I appreciate you all. Thank you so much for tuning in.
Come garden with me now, man.
What a nice place to live. Sweet jam.
So we're all going to share these lovely little snacks. You know, I think I'm missing one. You know? Let me see if it falls somewhere. I promise you guys. I saw it earlier, you know? And I said, alright. Since I'm going to come back out here to do the recording, let me just wait till I come back. No, you know that anything lasts long, serve two master, or anything that waited too long. There we go. Anything that wait too long, serve two master. Look like a bird got it before I could, or something. But anyways, this is for me, and this is for you. No, sir. But literally, I'm still looking for it because I'm wondering if it is close by. And it is the biggest one, you know. It is bigger than the two of these. Anyways, it is what it is. A tiny one coming up. And it's a tiny one there. Oh well. I'm not going to do this one since I have a few fruits coming up on it. I'm going to actually do this one. That's a new one, so I'm actually going to strip it of all its leaves. So what happened is that the plant will think that it is going dormant. As a result, it wants to fight for its life. So the leaves will come back and it will encourage the plant to give me some berries. So yes, it will feel as though its life is being threatened. So I'm going to take off all of the leaves, and I am taking you along with me. Alright, so like I said, one is for you and one is for me, but I'm not going to have them yet. I'm going to have yours for you and tell you how it tastes. Alright, so I'm going to put these aside and get the game going. See how tall they are? Look. They're so tall. This one, I think I cut it before. I believe so. But I'm going to prune it back as soon as those babies come up. This one no. Oh, it is joined. I'll put a string right here because they're so flimsy. When the wind was going back and forth with them, I decided to rest them along the line here. So can't believe that this is one of the this is a branch from the baby plant. This one right here. Alright, so finished. Alright, so let me show you. The tree is now stripped naked as a day born. Well, naked as ever, not as a day born, because we all know when it born it had leaves. So I'm not going to say naked as a date born. So because it's tied to here, you can't see there so properly. But this it's actually naked. So let's see what will happen. So like I said, I'm letting this one stay, because even though I two fruits, I'm not gonna sacrifice them. Alright, like promised, I said I'm going to eat mine and I'm going to eat yours for you as well and tell you how it is. So you see how I'm sweating? The heat is on. This place, Portmore Sunshine City, deserve its name. Alright, so mine is the smaller one. Could it bigger? I wish it was bigger. Tastes so good. My. I love them, you see. They taste really, really good. Yeah. So it tastes good. Yours tastes very good. Alright, so thank you all so much for watching, and until next time, walk good.
And what a nice place to live. Sweet jam down.